Plant proteins. What's wrong with plant proteins? Well, they're not meat proteins to start with. The reality is they don't functionally behave the same way that meat proteins do. They don't release juiciness like a beef burger does. They don't break down in the same way. They don't have that lovely elastic quality when you're eating a meat burger. Plant protein burgers simply don't cut the mustard just yet.
So one of the big challenges now in research is that consumers are really driving food choices around sustainable options. And so that's bringing them to alternative proteins in their diets other than meat proteins. So what my research tries to do is look at the engineering processes occurring during food consumption as we're eating our foods. Try to understand that process from a mechanical and tribological sense, and looking at sort of flow properties and friction and deformation, and also how ingredients interact with saliva. Why that's important is that how that breaks down links to how we perceive the product, both the texture and taste and aromas.
We need to do the research to understand why they're different, how they're different, and what consumers are really looking for from plant protein products. After 3 years, in the short term, I really hope that we're able to make some real breakthroughs in understanding how to modify and change plant proteins in a way that makes them just as good as beef. But it's going to take some breakthroughs in understanding how to either pre-process or how to add particular ingredients to make those proteins as delicious as a beef burger.